to Cooking with Aurora, my new kids cooking channel. Today we're going to make something super not healthy but super delicious peanut butter chocolate lasagna. I got this recipe from Hugs and Cookies XOXO. Before we get started, like and subscribe. Now we're going to go over the ingredients. Mixing bowls, milk, a whisk, baking pan, measuring cup, Cool Whip, peanut butter, Nutter butter, Reese's, pudding. First we're going to make our pudding. Our pudding takes 3 cups of milk and our pudding packet. Now we're going to unwrap the Reese's and mix them up. Now we're going to line the pan with Nutter butters. Quarter cup of peanut butter. Half a pudding. Half a Cool Whip. Now we're going to sprinkle on the Reese's. Now we're going to do the whole thing again.
The next day.
Now that it's been a whole day, it's time for tasting!